Is your iPhone back glass cracked or broken? Don't replace your phone, repair it today in Auckland. Welcome to Express Gadget Repair Auckland. Your trusted local experts for iPhone back glass repair in Auckland. We offer fast and affordable iPhone back glass replacement using advanced laser technology and high-quality parts. We repair iPhone 8, iPhone 10, XR, XS, XS Max, iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14, iPhone 15, and the latest iPhone 16, including Pro, Pro Max, Plus, and Mini models. Same-day iPhone back glass repair is available in Auckland. If you're searching for iPhone back glass repair near me in Auckland, Express Gadget Repair is the name you can trust. We are 100% New Zealand owned and operated, with experienced technicians and affordable pricing. Call 022 545 0003 now for a free quote. Express Gadget Repair Auckland. We rescue your essential tech.